Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and here is a recipe that really reminds me of my childhood, macaroni and cheese. This is a really wholesome family dish which is topped off with a deliciously crispy golden topping. Firstly, take 2 rashers of smoked back bacon and chop into chunks. Then take a large sauté pan and place it over a medium heat on the stove, heat up some oil, then add the bacon. Then fry for 5 minutes. Now remove the fried bacon and then set aside. And now we're going to make our white sauce. So take another saucepan and place over a low heat on the stove, then add 50 grams of butter and leave it to melt. And once the butter's melted, pour in 50 grams of plain flour, then use a wooden spoon to mix the two together to make a roux. Now pour in 650 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk along with 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And you now need to continuously mix these ingredients together whilst remaining over a low heat until the white sauce thickens up nicely. And meanwhile we'll prepare our pasta. So in a separate saucepan bring some water up to boiling point and pour in 250 grams of macaroni pasta and leave to cook for 10 minutes. Now, meanwhile, once your white sauce has thickened up like this, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Stir this in, then take 75 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese, then add this to the white sauce as well. Stir the cheese into the sauce while still remaining over a low heat until the cheese has melted in. Then remove your white sauce from the stove and set aside. Also, when your macaroni pasta has finished cooking, remove from the heat and drain it from its water. Now we need to take an oven dish and pour the macaroni pasta into the dish. Then add the chopped bacon that we fried earlier. Then pour in the cheesy white sauce. Mix all of these ingredients together until the pasta and bacon are completely covered in the sauce, then sprinkle over another 75 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese. Then also sprinkle over some Parmesan cheese to finish it off nicely. And now your macaroni and cheese is ready for the oven. So in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, bake your mac and cheese for 30 minutes. And then when your mac and cheese is lovely and golden on top, remove it from the oven. Then serve your mac and cheese up straight away, garnished with some fresh basil, and there you have it. That's how to make this delicious, wholesome dish, which is so easy to prepare.